Need somewhere to store your flour, but you got an old pot and a lid that you need to use up. That got a little hole in it, it's leaking. Let me show you what to do with it. Just take it and just pour your flour in there, and then you got storage for your flour. And you did not have to spend extra money. Recycle what you have. Be sustainable. Take that lid, prop it on top. Breathtaking Soul. They don't cook with love like we do. Subscribe. Tips by Breathtaking Soul. Use what you have, and you can just prop this pot, old pot, right into your pantry. To the pantry. See, store it right on my baking rack with all my baking supplies that I'll use. Alright, Breathtaking Soul. Cooking tips. Subscribe. Save that money. Save them bucks. Save them bucks. Breathtaking Soul. Subscribe, like, follow. Yeah, how to store flour using an old pan with a hole in it instead of throwing it out. Be sustainable. Save the environment. Climate change is real.